Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm doing a quick air fryer 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie challenge. I'm using my Ninja FOODI, my new Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, and my DELONGHI MULTIFRY. So let's see which one of these air fryers is going to come out on top. Like I said, this is a 3-ingredient recipe. You need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. You're going to place all the ingredients into a mixing bowl, and I'm using my 9-speed KitchenAid hand mixer to mix everything together. The dough comes together really quickly. This is a super easy recipe. Now I'm going to use a cookie scoop to portion out the dough because I want all of the dough to be I want all the cookies to be the same size. So here I have some parchment paper in my Ninja FOODI basket. So I'm placing in, 5 cookies. And then here is one of the racks for the Power Air Fry Oven Elite. So I've got 6 cookies on here. And then I placed the air fryer basket in my Ninja. I hit air crisp. I set the temperature to 325 and I set the time to 10 minutes. On the Power Oven, I placed the rack in the middle. There's 3 different levels. I used the middle and I hit the preset for dessert. That set it to 320, so I left it there and I set it for 10 minutes. And originally this was going to be 2 air fryers, but I had extra dough, so I brought out my DeLonghi. So I have the cookies, 5 cookies in there. I have it on level 3.5 and I turned on the bottom heating element. So here are what the cookies look like in the Ninja. As you can see, they cooked very evenly, and this is what they look like on the bottom. This is what the cookies in the Power Oven look like. You can see the ones in the back are a little bit darker. Here's what those look like on the bottom. And then finally, these are the cookies that cooked in the DeLonghi. They actually overcooked, as you can see at the top and the bottom. So in conclusion, the Ninja cooked the most evenly. The Power cookies were actually the most moist, and the DeLonghi cooks a lot faster, so those overcooked. So in the end, I'm the real winner because I got to eat peanut butter cookies, but I feel like the Ninja performed well. So if you like this quick video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're here and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red button. And as always, thanks so much. Blah, blah, blah. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.